In this video, we will see how to fix error code 601. The attempt to find the object found an object matching by ID on the volume, but it is out of the scope of the handle used for the operation. Error found out of. If you are also facing such type of error code in your system, then here are the fixes. Go to your problematic folder, right click on it and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to security and under permission for everyone or your permission for other user accounts, make sure that full permission is allowed for this folder. If not found, then click on edit and make the check against full control, modify, read and execute and write a special permission. All should be checked. And finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. Means give full permission to that particular folder for your users. The next fixes is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on a screen. chk dsk letter, where your drive letter, here drive letter replace with your drive letter C, D or E. For example, D drive, and simply execute this command to command prompt windows and press enter. Would you like to force a dismount on this volume? Choose type Y and press enter and let the system scan your system, and after that restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search again and type CMD and open command prompt windows as administrator mode again, and here execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will not only scan your system, it will repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system. Your problem should be definitely be resolved. That's all.